Hello coders, so there is a very good news if you are planning your future as a web developer. So GFG had launched a very new channel, as you know, web development channel. If you haven't subscribed, liked or shared it till now, just go and hit the bell icon, subscribe button and of course the like button so that you can get the latest update. So presently, the first live workshop on web development channel is starting from today and the timings are as per follows. So it will be conducted from Tuesday to Friday. The Tuesday it will be conducted by different mentor at 6 to 7 p.m. Then on Wednesday I am continuing the same workshop at 4 to 5 p.m. Again the Thursday the different mentor will conduct it as 6 to 7 p.m. and again on Friday, I will be continuing the workshop from 4 to 5 p.m. So, meet you in the workshop. Do attend the workshop. It is project based for all of you and just go and share the web development channel. So, bye-bye.